Hello guys, welcome back to Jamie Take. In today's video we are going to show you how to mirroring on your Mac, right? I mean how to mirror your iPhone and Mac. The first step is to go and download the Mac OS, right? Maybe it's working with the other version of Mac OS, but Sequoia, we are going to do it with Sequoia, right? You need to upgrade your new upgrade to new version, and then what we need to go to do is to see and the first thing is to go and set up your iPhone, right? For few things maybe. Here we are going to go through an iPhone. I mean, you need to go to setting and then go to general and go to AirPlay, AirPlay and connectivity, and then you just set it to automatic, or maybe you can do it with automatically AirPlay. I mean, do it as you want to go with. And the next step is to go and I was trying to search the iPhone mirroring application on my from the launch page, right? But it was not working, right? I mean, I could not find it. So what you need to go is just go to here, you will find it. I mean, I'm writing from to search it, I mean iPhone mirroring. So once but before that, make sure that you have open your Bluetooth, turn it on, and here the Wi-Fi is on. And also on your iPhone, just go here and open both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Okay, I just turn on Bluetooth and connect to my Wi-Fi, right? So that's it. What else we are going to do is to simply open the application iPhone mirroring, and iPhone in use. It's good. Of course I can just it's quite, oh gosh, no, come on, it's my own setup. Ah gosh, where it was here, yeah, it's here. So we have done it, and I can use it whatever I want to do with. And for example, I want to go to my YouTube channel, right? And let's see what's it, right? Yeah, it's quite irritating, and oh gosh, the scrolling is not good. And here we go. Here Jamie Tech is right here, and I want to search something here, there. I think
Here's your
I watched a lot of videos on how to do that. It was quite difficult on the new macOS. So that's it, and I want to go to home. Come on, it's quite difficult. Hey gosh, hey, can't do that. Hey god, I'm stuck here. Oh gosh, we have to use that one. Oh, that's quite awesome. Oh mom, come on. Hey gosh, hey. No, that's quite irritating, believe me. That's it. It was quite awesome. Oh gosh, the scrolling is quite loud. Developer, this, mom. This is quite easy. You can do that as you want to go.